Hello Tech Explorers, need to log out of InVideo AI but not sure how? Don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's do it in a few quick steps. Do you log out often or do you stay signed in? Let me know in the comments below. First, head over to the InVideo AI website and make sure you are logged in. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or username. Tap on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you will see the logout option. Click on it and just like that, you are logged out. And that's it. You have successfully logged out of InVideo AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.